Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make the chromatic laser eyes on CapCut. So here I have already imported a clips, and what you need to do next is just go to video effects, basic, and then find the motion blur effect. So just scroll down until you find the effect. Okay, so this one, and you can adjust it if you want, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Click on a check icon and adjust on how long you want the blur effect to last, and then after that add another effect under the party category. Oops. Okay, go to party and then choose the chromatic effect. This one. Click on the check icon and I'm going to set it until the end of the clips. And then after that, go back and then click on the body effect and choose hardware and select the laser eyes. This one. Adjust the color if you want. Okay, I'm going to put it in the bottom along with the second video effect. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the color until it turns into this color. Click on the check icon and the final result will go like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can make the chromatic laser eyes on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thank you.